Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 4. We are learning Unit 2. Its title is A Promise is a Promise. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today we are going to read and comprehend the text of this unit. And before this, in English for grade 3, I have taught you how to interact with text while reading. Today, we'll extend the practice and we'll apply while reading strategies to interact with text to predict what follows in the text using context and prior knowledge. This is our today's essay. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al Imran, verse 76, whoever fulfills his promise made with Allah and has piety, that means taqwa, verily then Allah loves the pious, the honor of taqwa. Yes, my dear children, you see, this beautiful verse tells us the importance of promise. Allah loves those who fulfill their promises. And better, there is one promise we all have made with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Do you know that promise? What promise we made with Allah? That we will worship only Allah. This is our promise with Allah. So Alhamdulillah, we worship only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And better, after this, the importance of promises that whatever promise we make with people, we should fulfill that as well. This is what we are going to learn in this story. First, you tell me, do you know what keeping promise means? And why should you fulfill the promises you make? Okay, these are two questions. Teachers, kindly pause the video and take the answer of these two questions from every student. Yes, my dear children. So I hope you have answered correctly that keeping promises means we should fulfill the promise whatever we make. And secondly, by fulfilling the promises, we make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala happy with us, right? So this is what we just learned. So it's time to start reading. I'm going to read the text from the very first line. All of you, be with me, listen carefully, because after me, you have to read the text, okay? So here we go. Asad ran home from the bus stop in a hurry. His elder brother, Naveed, had promised to take him to the new skate park today. So Asad was in hurry. What does hurry mean? Do something quickly. Like he was quickly reaching home because his elder brother, Naveed, promised him to take him to skate park. Asad promised his class fellow, Hadi, to work on science project. Hadi. Asad, wait, running behind him. Asad, I can't. Asad yelled over his shoulder. Naveed is taking me to skate park this afternoon. Now you see, my dear children, this is a conversation between two friends. One is Hadi and the other is Asad. What Hadi wants Asad to wait and stop, and Asad is in hurry because he is going to skate park with his brother. Hadi, but you promised me we'll work on our science project today. Asad, we will do it tomorrow. He picked up the pace like he was in hurry. Asad ran inside the house and took his skating gear from the closet. He was so excited that he put his elbow pads and knee guards on. Now he is preparing to go to skate park. Now you see, beta, there are two promises. Naveed, who is Asad's elder brother, he promised him to take him to skate park. And Hadi, who is Asad's friend, Asad promised him to work on science project. Now Asad is like avoiding to help Hadi because he is excited to go to skate park. Let's see what happens. Naveed, now Asad's elder brother, Naveed enters and, hey, little brother, walking through the door. Asad, ready to go. Asad held his arm out like, I'm ready to go. Naveed, ready? Who is that? Pointing out the window. Asad saw Hadi sitting by the mailbox, like Hadi was sitting outside. He saw him from the window. Asad, is he still here? I told him that I would work on the science project with him tomorrow. Naveed, then why is he here today? Asad, well, I told him that I would do it today, but that was before you said you would take me to the skate park. Now you understand the situation? Asad and Hadi both are friends. They planned to work on science project, and after that, Asad's elder brother Naveed planned to take him to skate park. Now, Asad is avoiding to work with Hadi because he's more excited to go to skate park, right? So here is a question. Will Asad help his friend Hadi with his project? What do you think? What do you think? Okay, pause the video, answer the question to your teacher. Yes, my dear children, ethically, Asad should fulfill his promise which he made with Hadi. Right? So let's see what happens. Oh, so what happened next? We'll read it tomorrow. It's your time to read the text which we have just read. Pause the video, read it, and better because it's dialogue and you should read it with expressions. Okay, so pause the video, enjoy reading the text. Okay, are you done with it? Okay, then it's activity time. And what the activity is, the text you just read, you have to answer these questions. And first you'll tell the answers orally, then you will write these answers in your notebook. So pause the video and complete this exercise. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Here is homework for you. You will write 5 sentences to predict what is going to happen in the lesson. So we have read just a part. You will predict, you will make your own prediction, and you will write just 5 sentences to predict the story. This is your homework, and I'm giving you a worksheet. Again, my fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do, there is a picture and there are a few sentences. You are going to predict what's going to happen and you will complete this story. So what we have learned today, we answered some questions to interact with text to make simple inferences using context of the text and our prior knowledge. So in this way, we achieved our SLO, apply while reading strategies to interact with text to predict what follows in the text using context and prior knowledge. Yes, my dear children, are we done with it? Yes, and we thoroughly enjoyed doing it. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.